Neil Carlson here with some breaking news out of Polk County. We've had a crash between a combine and a semi. Now I'm about 4 miles east of Crookston and a mile and a half, 2 miles north. This would be north of the road going from the Dairy Queen over to Gently. There's the header of the combine line there. And down the road is the truck that apparently hit it. You can see an ambulance on the scene. I'm not sure if anyone was injured. Comes the ambulance now. Haven't been able to talk with officials here yet, but no emergency lights going or anything. I'm not sure if anyone was hurt or not. Details later. Forklift brought in here. You can see the ambulance, or the header from the combine line there. The original call was that a semi hit a combine, and there's the truck down there, farther on down the ditch past this intersection. We'll have more details as soon as they're available. In Polk County, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.